Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'll be making hair growth spray, which is going to help your hair grow very fast, stop hair loss, promote baldness, increase your hair. And I'll be using three amazing ingredients, which is your hibiscus leaves and also black seed and clove. These three ingredients, combine them together, you're going to get amazing result when it comes to hair growth, and you can easily find them in your kitchen. So this is hibiscus flower, and I'll be using 1 tablespoon, and I'll also use 1 tablespoon of the black seed and 1 tablespoon of clove, guys. So right now I already have my water, which is boiling. If you're new here, hello, thank you for clicking to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Let me give you some of the benefit of this amazing ingredient. Okay, hibiscus flower helps to prevent baldness, it stimulates hair growth, it treats dandruff, it helps to stop premature graying of the hair, it conditions your hair. Hibiscus is very amazing when it comes to hair growth. So right now you can see that I poured all the ingredients into this pot of boiling water, and I'll allow this to cook on a very low and medium flame, as you're seeing in the video. All right, and I'll leave it for about 10 minutes before I put off the fire. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a huge thumbs up as I continue to tell you about the amazing benefit of hibiscus. So hibiscus helps to control hair breakage, it strengthens your hair. You can also use it to make hibiscus shampoo. It soothes the scalp, delays hair graying, increase hair volume, makes hair smooth, moisturize your hair, it enhance your hair growth. Okay, it is very amazing. It helps to keep your hair shining, it helps to reduce hair thinning. So if you want to have fuller, thicker hair, always use hibiscus leaves. Okay, it reduces split ends, stimulates hair follicles. It is so amazing. So right now, this is after about 10 minutes, and right now what I'm doing is sieving it out. All right, and after which I'll pour it into my spray bottle. If you watch up to this point and you've not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up and help me to share. So right now this is the hibiscus tea, the hair growth tea we've made with three ingredients, which is the hibiscus leaf, the clove and the black seed. So right now I'm showing you how you can apply this on your hair. So I'll just apply this on my scalp like you're seeing. Okay, then I massage properly, and I'll go in with my oils, my shea butter and all that. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a huge thumbs up. So I still continue to spray the water just the way you're seeing in the video. Right now go in with my DIY hair growth oil. If you've not seen how I made this oil, I'll leave the link in the description. Do well to check on it. So I'll apply this on my hair, on my scalp. Okay, and I also massage, and after which I'll go in with some shea butter. I also did this one. This is also a DIY hair growth butter that I made. Okay, so I'll just put this also, and after which I'm going to also massage very well, because you make sure to massage so that it helps your hair when it comes to blood flow, blood circulation. So that is why you also want to massage everything into your scalp very well. All right, yeah, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, also help me to share. Thank you so much if you watch up to this point. I do appreciate you. Bye, ciao.